Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening according to the time where you are. And welcome to province of Algeciras. So today's plan is to go to the office, the DFD office, where I will go and buy the ferry ticket to cross into Morocco. And I just need to do some sort of performance check on Aseyori before we get into the ferry today. So guys, let me finish up with the maintenance and then we can get going.
Yes, everything is set. Now let's go. Let's go and look for the office this morning. Swear. Spain is quite known for this kind of lanes in the villages, so you won't see like a proper road. So this is how the road layout is designed. Include cars and motorbike. It looks like I'm just driving at someone's driveway, which is true if we have to compare to the UK. It's someone's driveway I'm driving, but that's the proper road in the UK. I mean in Spain, in the countryside. What an amazing map of Spain. That's the province of Cadiz. So this is their map. So it's amazing. Someone designed this. I mean, looking great. So the main part they are showing us is their province. So Sevilla, you can see Sevilla is here. Sevilla, and then we can see the Mediterranean Sea, and we can see Morocco here. And we can see boats coming here. It's amazing, isn't it? By hand. Kudos to somebody. Tickets. I made a mistake. This is not the right place for the tickets. I think it should be the next one. Should be the next one. How will I be able to get to the, if that place is locked? Excuse me, tickets? Sorry, tickets.
Rope one.
Tickets.
Motre.
Yeah. Tramedia.
Rope one.
Yeah.
L'autre.
They say here.
Français.
No, English. England.
Rope one. C'est rope
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Deuxième rope one. Autre camion.
Yeah, I've been there. They said no.
Morocco. Pour Maroc.
Yeah, Morocco.
Rope
Yeah,
one,
tickets.
rope one.
Tickets.
Ticket, si.
See.
La gare maritime.
Where?
Rope one. Rope one. Premier.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Gracias. Gracias. Finding the ticket location is a little bit like a job. Yeah. somehow I couldn't find the main entrance. That's why I keep going round and round. Now, yeah, okay, now I see where I was getting it wrong. Okay, this is the right place. Okay, good. Yeah, because they said it is this building. That's where I can get the tickets. And I couldn't find the main entrance. Sometimes with the sign, parking. Checkpoints. Yeah, ticket. I need to buy tickets. Hi. I need to buy tickets.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Go left and right. Okay.
Okay, I should go. Okay. Which way? Ah, gracias. And then
Now, so I'm going to the office to get a ticket for myself. Let's see. I'm gonna check available tickets.
Que no te veo, estoy aquí.
Ready? Yeah, hi. So, do you speak English? No English, but I need to buy tickets, so.
The other taxi that I had.
All right then. Okay, thank you.
now finally I got the ticket. I just have to go back to where I was earlier, where they asked me to come to this area. So that's where I will be going back to. Okay, now I can see the place. Hola, good. Tickets? Gracias. Which way? Right, okay, thank you. All right. Okay. Valeria. Hola. But this is bike. Okay. Hello.
Hola, billete.
What do you What does that mean?
Tu billete no es aquí, es de otro sitio.
Sorry. What?
Tarifa. Ya está cerrado.
No. Tangier.
Tangier bill.
Medi.
Not here. Tangier bill not here.
Valeria.
Sí.
No. The guy made a mistake. So I'm going to from here, Ojiras, to Tangier Media.
Tangier Med?
Yeah, Tangier Med.
It's no ticket for Tangier Med.
I'm surprised. Why would somebody in the office made a mistake? Tarifa, which is about 50 kilometers or so away from here, he now booked me from Tafari while I'm here and I'm going to Tangier Medi. So how is that possible within 20 minutes or 15 minutes to get there? So I'm just surprised how people can be so making unnecessary mistake. So anyway, the good news is they are going to help me to adjust the ticket, which is what those guys will do, because I'm surprised somebody will book me from different ports. Meanwhile, they gave me that I should come here. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's wait and see how they are going to resolve it.
Okay, it's all okay.
Good.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you. Now the good news is they have resolved the ticket for me, which is good, because I'm just a little bit worried. Why would they book me from a different port? That's it for now. Hola. Gracias. Alright guys, now we are going into Valeria ship. So that's the one that is going to take us from Ojias, where we are right now, and it's taking us to Morocco, somewhere called Tangier Med. That's where we are going right now. So just boarding the ferry. To the upper deck, I presume. People always admire the bike. I've saw a lot of people, they were asking a lot of questions, because it's not common seeing quad bike on this kind of routes. I know. A lot of people were asking me, how did you make it all the way from England down here?
So they are going to southern part of Morocco. So they were just having a conversation about where I'm going. So they are very lovely guys and they speak English. And when I saw them, I'm more energetic. You can see, this is their bikes. What's the name? So no name? This is Aseyori name. No name. You need to give a name. So this is their bikes. So this is my bike. Yeah. Look guys. The shore of Spain to African continent.
Alright guys, we are just disembarking from the Valeria ferry from Tangier, Spain to Tangier, Morocco. Oh, stop. I didn't know that the car is won't be able to roll. Now I'm gonna go through the custom. So custom. Assalamu alaikum. Where am I going? Origin. West coast of Africa. Yeah. Thank you. This is the custom area for Morocco. Officially, I can say, welcome to Morocco, the motherland, the border to the motherland. Officially, I've passed through the custom and we can go. Woo! The original just begin. Woohoo!
I'm gonna be going into the restaurant with a group that I met on the boat. So they were so nice people. So because they speak a bit of Arabic, so we now decided to come and have our nice Moroccan first meal.
El otro, no lo sé. Esto va a ser misión imposible, tío.
We are having a nice meal.
Oye, ¿y el té para beber? No lo había pedido.
Many thanks for watching to the end. Please feel to subscribe and follow the new series of Epic Riding with my bike.